Gold continues to rise in value. Yesterday the price formed another bullish breakout about 2878.61 at the start of this week, and we can see that the price has made a breakout above bullish breakout above this confluence of resistances, which means the bulls are still in the momentum that is pushing the price from here. We can see that the start was at 2618.75. Currently we can see that this day also has started with a strong push, with the price reaching almost to 2949.95, a resistance level next that I have marked here on the chart, which is also all-time high price level. So currently what we can make as a conclusion for today, what could the price do? Well, there is an open space for the price again to move further up, and we can see that the price did not reach to 2949.95 a resistance level. It has come very close, but it didn't touch it. But also there is a possibility that the price retrace back down below this area of support, which is around 2907. What will happen? This is something that we'll watch closely on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which is very important levels in between this area of resistance and the support level that will also point us in the direction where the price could go. But for now, as it looks right now, I am looking for the price to move even further bullish to reach again higher price levels. And then where is the resistance where the price could bounce? That is the open question. So I will not chase the market. I will watch and I'll watch closely what the price do around the support and the resistance levels on the daily time frame, like this one here 2949 and here 2878, and also closely on the 4-hour time frame, which is also consisting of several support and resistance levels in between. So for today I'm still bullish to see how the price will behave, but if the price goes below 2907, this will be also potential a bearish breakout, further decline in value, reaching very close here to the demand zone around 2878.61, where we currently see we have a confluence of support. One thing also, there will be also information inside the premium analysis for the traders when if you would like also you can join, where I share these details when the breakout happens. And the second thing is, if you would like also to receive a trading account until the February, feel free to join with my broker and also get 20% credit on your deposit. So you can also be picked up to receive a 300 or 200 or 100 trading accounts. So we have 3 accounts sharing with the traders who join with this my broker. Feel free also check in the description more details. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.